We experience life at full speed, documenting anything and everything around us. But often when it's time to back up and store our footage, something breaks, which means one of two things: transferring memories to our laptop and USB drives that end up just collecting dust, or having to spend monthly fees to store on a cloud controlled by somebody else, inevitably filling up and requiring more space. Now with Kwilt Shoebox Plus, you don't have to. Just plug in a USB memory stick or any external drive of any size into your shoebox at home. Now you can access your personal content anywhere from any device through the internet. Easily transfer your footage and shots at home by plugging your SD card directly into the Kwilt shoebox and moving your content to the connected hard drive. Then when you're on the go, you can transfer your content wirelessly through your mobile phone from anywhere, and share and access them from anywhere in the world, anytime you want, and never compromise on image quality or privacy ever again. Discover life with no limits with your own expandable personal cloud. Faster offloads, original resolution, private storage, accessible anywhere, instant sharing, and no monthly fees. That's Kwilt Shoebox Plus.